Hi, I'm AI Titans, and in this video, we're going to talk about the use of AI for emotional pain. Emotional pain is a common problem that can affect people of all ages. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, trauma, and mental health conditions. In recent years, there has been growing interest in the use of AI to help people with emotional pain. AI can be used to identify and track symptoms, provide support, deliver therapy, and research the causes and treatment of emotional pain. In this video, we'll discuss some of the ways in which AI is being used to help people with emotional pain. We'll also talk about the potential benefits and risks of using AI for this purpose. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly developing technology that has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, including the way we treat emotional pain. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are already being used to provide emotional support to people in need, and there is growing evidence that these technologies can be effective in reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. One of the most promising applications of AI for emotional health is in the area of cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. CBT is a type of psychotherapy that helps people to identify and change negative thought patterns that contribute to emotional distress. AI-powered CBT programs can be used to deliver personalized therapy to people in their own homes, which can make it more accessible and affordable than traditional therapy. In addition to CBT, AI is also being used to develop new treatments for other mental health conditions, such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and borderline personality disorder. For example, AI-powered virtual reality, VR, therapy is being used to help people with PTSD to confront their traumatic memories in a safe and controlled environment. While AI is still in its early stages of development, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we treat emotional pain. By providing personalized therapy and delivering it in a convenient and affordable way, AI can help to improve the lives of millions of people who suffer from mental health conditions. Here are some of the ways in which AI can be used to help people with emotional pain. 1. Identifying and tracking symptoms. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of data, such as text, speech, and images, to identify patterns that may indicate emotional pain. 1. This information can be used to help people to manage their symptoms and to identify triggers that may be contributing to their pain. 1. For example, an AI-powered chatbot could be used to ask a person questions about their mood, sleep patterns, and thoughts. 1. The chatbot could then use this information to identify potential problems and recommend strategies for managing them. 2. Providing support. AI can be used to provide support to people who are experiencing emotional pain. 2. This support can come in the form of chatbots, virtual assistants, or other AI-powered technologies. 2. For example, a chatbot could be used to provide information about mental health conditions, offer encouragement, or connect people with other resources. 3. Delivering therapy. AI can be used to deliver therapy to people who are experiencing emotional pain. 3. This therapy can be delivered in a variety of formats, such as text, audio, or video. 3. For example, an AI-powered therapist could use a video chat platform to provide CBT to a patient. 3. The therapist could use video chat to observe the patient's body language and facial expressions and to tailor the therapy to the patient's individual needs. 4. Research. AI can be used to research the causes and treatment of emotional pain. 4. This research can help to develop new and more effective treatments for emotional pain. 4. For example, AI can be used to analyze large datasets of medical records to identify risk factors for emotional pain. 4. This information can then be used to develop interventions to prevent emotional pain from developing in the first place. It is important to note that AI is not a cure for emotional pain. However, it can be a valuable tool for helping people to manage their symptoms and to improve their quality of life. As AI continues to develop, it is likely that it will play an increasingly important role in the treatment of emotional pain. Here are some additional points about the use of AI for emotional pain. 1. AI is not a replacement for human interaction. While AI can be a valuable tool for helping people with emotional pain, it is important to remember that it is not a replacement for human interaction. 1. People who are experiencing emotional pain often benefit from talking to a therapist or counselor. 1. AI can be used to supplement this human interaction, but it should not be used as a substitute. 2. AI can be used to improve access to care. AI can be used to improve access to care for people with emotional pain. 2. For example, AI-powered chatbots can be used to provide support and information to people in rural areas or in countries with limited mental health resources. 3. AI can be used to reduce the stigma of mental health conditions. AI can be used to reduce the stigma of mental health conditions. 3. For example, AI-powered chatbots can be used to normalize conversations about mental health. Overall, AI has the potential to be a valuable tool for helping people with emotional pain. However, it is important to remember that AI is not a cure and that it should not be used as a replacement for human interaction. In this video, we've discussed the use of AI for emotional pain. We've seen that AI can be a valuable tool for helping people to manage their symptoms and to improve their quality of life. However, it's important to remember that AI is not a cure for emotional pain. It's also important to use AI in a responsible way, and to be aware of the potential risks. If you're experiencing emotional pain, it's important to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can help you to understand your pain and to develop coping strategies. AI can be a valuable tool for people with emotional pain, but it's not a replacement for human interaction. If you're struggling, please reach out for help. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.